Welcome to the Ultimate Engineering Challenge, where we spend 200 days building a 1/5 scale Pagani Huayra from raw carbon fiber and precision machinery. Our journey starts at the design table, meticulously reviewing every curve and mechanical component to ensure this miniature masterpiece stays true to its full-size legendary counterpart. The manufacturing phase begins with high-precision industrial 3D printing, creating the foundational male molds that will dictate the final shape of our carbon fiber bodywork. Using time-lapse photography, we watch as hours of digital processing transform into a physical object, layer by layer, with absolute accuracy down to the millimeter. Once printed, the molds require intensive manual labor, starting with wet sanding to remove any printing lines and prepare the surface for a mirror-like finish. This process is slow and rhythmic, requiring a steady hand to ensure that every contour remains perfectly aerodynamic and visually flawless for the upcoming carbon application. A coat of professional-grade primer is applied to highlight any remaining imperfections, allowing us to fix even the smallest flaws before we move to the next stage. The final preparation involves applying a specialized release agent, which ensures the carbon fiber will separate easily from the mold after the curing process is complete. Precision is our highest priority, so we verify every measurement against the original CAD files before moving into the high-stakes world of composite materials. With 20 days of preparation behind us, the molds are finally ready to become the skeleton for our carbon fiber skin in this ambitious build. Now we transition to the art of carbon fiber, where we handle the raw material that gives the Pagani its iconic look and incredible strength-to-weight ratio. The layup process is a delicate dance, as each piece of fabric must be positioned perfectly to keep the carbon weave uniform across the entire car body. We apply high-performance epoxy resin, saturating the fibers to create a composite that is much stronger than steel, but light enough to be lifted by fingers. Every intricate detail, like the sharp edges of the air intakes, requires careful pressure to ensure no air bubbles are trapped during the critical bonding phase. To achieve professional results, we use vacuum bagging technology, which applies thousands of pounds of atmospheric pressure to compress the layers and remove excess resin. The sound of the vacuum pump signals the start of the infusion, pulling a perfect vacuum to ensure maximum density and structural integrity for our chassis parts. Monitoring the pressure is vital. A small leak could ruin 60 days of hard work, so keep a constant watch on the precision vacuum gauges. Next, the components are moved into the autoclave, where intense heat and pressure will cure the resin to its final, rock-hard state for maximum performance. The temperature is carefully ramped up according to a strict schedule, allowing the chemical reaction to occur evenly throughout the complex shape of the car. After several hours of curing, the molds are removed, and we wait for the parts to cool before the most satisfying moment of the whole build. Demolding is the ultimate reward, hearing that crisp snap as the carbon fiber releases from the plastic mold to reveal its incredible final form. Look at that detail. The carbon fiber is flawless, reflecting the light with a depth that only true composite craftsmanship can achieve at this small scale. We trim the excess material with surgical precision, refining the edges so that every panel will fit together with the tight tolerances found on real hypercars. Every single component, including the rear diffuser, is made of real carbon, ensuring that our model isn't just a toy, but a true engineering replica. 70 days in, and the car is finally taking shape, showcasing the dark, lightweight beauty of the carbon fiber skin that will protect its inner workings. Now that the exterior is perfected, we prepare to dive into the mechanical heart of this beast, where tiny parts meet massive power and precision. Every supercar needs a heart, and for this project, we are assembling a miniature V12 internal combustion engine, starting with these tiny, precision-machined pistons. We measure every part to the micron, ensuring the fit is perfect, because at this scale, even the slightest error can lead to total engine failure. The crankshaft is the backbone of our engine. Seeing it spin so freely is a testament to the high-quality engineering that goes into these tiny components. We carefully torque each bolt in a specific sequence, just like a real mechanic, to ensure the engine can handle the high RPMs it will face. To transfer power to the wheels, we've built a custom sequential gearbox that allows for lightning-fast gear changes and incredible mechanical efficiency. Proper lubrication is key, so we use high-grade synthetic grease on the gears to minimize friction and wear during high-speed runs on the track. The independent suspension features adjustable oil-filled shin shocks, allowing us to tune the handling for different road conditions and maintain perfect stability at speed. We use titanium fasteners throughout the chassis to keep the weight as low as possible while providing the strength needed to handle the engine's torque. A fully functional cooling system is integrated to keep the V12 running at optimal temperatures, preventing overheating during those intense high-speed sessions.
Use the digital caliper to confirm the
Feeding the
gap.
beast requires a
Reading within
dedicated
tolerance.
fuel system,
Ready
precisely
for the torque
calibrated
wrench.
to deliver the right air-fuel mixture for maximum combustion efficiency and power output. Finally, the heart meets the body as we mount the V12 into the rear subframe, creating a mid-engine layout that defines the Pagani's legendary balance. The moment of truth arrives on day 120 as we prepare to fire up the engine for its first ever test run. It lives. The mechanical scream of the V12 echoes through the workshop, a raw and powerful sound that makes all those months of work worthwhile. The exhaust note is crisp and aggressive, perfectly mimicking the signature sound that Pagani enthusiasts around the world have come to love and admire. With the engine validated, we can now move to the complex electronics that will give this model its intelligent, active aerodynamic capabilities. To achieve true active aero, we install high-torque microservos that will control the 4 independent flaps, just like the real Huayra. The wiring is a challenge, requiring us to route dozens of cables through the tight confines of the carbon chassis without adding unnecessary bulk or weight. The brain of the system is a custom-programmed microcontroller that processes data from onboard gyroscopes and accelerometers to adjust the aero in real time. We write custom algorithms that tell the flaps to rise during hard braking, acting as air brakes to provide maximum stopping power and stability. Uploading the software is the final step in bringing the car's nervous system to life, allowing it to react to every movement and turn. The response is instantaneous. The servos move the flaps with precision, ensuring the car can generate downforce exactly where and when it's needed. Watching the rear flaps operate is like seeing a living creature. They provide the balance necessary to keep this high-speed model glued to the track. We simulate real-world wind conditions to ensure the flaps stay rigid under pressure, proving that our engineering can handle the forces of high-speed travel. The synchronized movement of the 4 flaps is a sight to behold, representing the pinnacle of miniature aerodynamic engineering and software integration. Every hinge and joint is built for durability, ensuring that the active aero system remains reliable even after hundreds of high-speed laps. With the aero system complete, we enter the final phase, the meticulous craftsmanship of the interior and the ultimate assembly of the car. The luxury of a Pagani is found in the details, so we are hand-stitching the interior using genuine Alcantara and premium leather for an authentic feel. Even at this scale, the steering wheel is a work of art, featuring intricate details that replicate the Huayra's iconic and complex cockpit design. The dashboard comes to life with glowing LEDs, illuminating the tiny gauges and creating a truly immersive experience for anyone who looks inside. The interior fits snugly into the chassis, hiding the complex wiring and completing the transition from a machine to a luxury miniature hypercar. Every panel is painstakingly installed, ensuring that the interior matches the high standards set by the exterior's flawless carbon fiber finish. This is the moment of final assembly. The carbon shell meets the mechanical heart in a marriage of beauty and performance after months of effort. We use custom titanium hardware to secure the body, ensuring that everything stays together even under the extreme vibrations of the V12 engine. The wheels are CNC machined from solid aluminum blocks and wrapped in high-grip rubber tires designed to provide maximum traction on the asphalt. A center lock mechanism secures the wheels, providing that authentic racing aesthetic and making tire changes quick and efficient during our track tests. A final clear coat is applied to protect the carbon fiber and give it a deep, wet-look shine that highlights the intricate weave of the fabric. Polishing the surface brings out the true beauty of our work, transforming the raw material into a shimmering gemstone of engineering and design. The final touch is the Pagani badge, a symbol of excellence and a tribute to the legendary brand that inspired this entire 200-day journey. 200 days, countless hours of labor, and a passion for perfection have led to this moment. The 1.5 Pagani Huayra is complete. It's time to leave the workshop and head to the track, where this carbon beast will finally show what it's truly capable of. The acceleration is violent and visceral. The engine roars as the car slices through the air, proving that its performance is as real as it looks. In the corners, the active aerodynamics come alive, adjusting the flaps in real time to keep the chassis perfectly flat and stable through every turn. As we hit the brakes, the rear flaps act as a powerful air brake, demonstrating the incredible engineering we've packed into this small-scale frame. At full throttle, the Huayra is a blur of carbon and speed, a testament to the power-to-weight ratio achieved by using real composite materials. The suspension works overtime, soaking up every imperfection in the track and keeping the tires planted for maximum control and confidence at the limit. As the car stops, you can feel the heat radiating from the V12, a reminder of the mechanical intensity hidden beneath the elegant carbon skin. Opening the gull-wing doors is the ultimate dramatic gesture, revealing the craftsmanship within and inviting you to admire every tiny, perfect detail. This journey was about more than just building a model. It was about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with patience, technology, and pure passion. Thank you for joining us on this 200-day adventure. The 1.5 Pagani Huayra is alive, and it is a masterpiece of miniature engineering.